Hi everybody, Sergey here from YAML API. So this will be a quick tutorial on how to apply the promo code and get those sweet $23 of access for the duration of the hackathon and the judging. So again, this time the promo code will be active until the judges finish deciding who gets the prizes. After that they will expire, but within that range you can try any of our wonderful models. Those include even Sora without the watermark and a lot of other stuff. And if you'll need support, you can click contact us or visit Discord to ping our community managers. So how do you get the promo code? Click here or here, so try for free, sign up, and you will find yourself in the playground right here. Don't worry about the blue plague, navigate to billing, type in ArcHack and tap apply. Now, the first time you apply, nothing will show up. Just don't worry about it. Go ahead and click here and you will see this beautiful thing right here. So it can be that if you click one more time, the button will be red. Don't worry about it. This is what you have to watch out for, right? As soon as you do this, turn off the automated top-ups. They're very useful, but only for production-ready startups, not for a hackathon. You don't want to get charged more, right? And then decrease this right here, $20. That's it. Then you click pay, and you'll see a window right here. There it is. You can pay with the card or with PayPal, up to you. For a lot of Indian countries, South Africa, Asia, did I say Indian countries? Damn. For a lot of Asian countries, African, there can be problems with cards. So PayPal is a much safer option. It will work for sure, right? So you can go ahead, enter all the details, click Save Card, Pay, and from then on, how do you know the subscription is active? You can go to API keys, create one, and actually, just a sec, it should be in usage, I think. Anyways, likely here or in the API keys, you will see how much credits you have. It will be like 40 million. And then if you have any questions, if something doesn't work, if you don't know what to do, either go to LabLab Discord, our Discord, or here in the Help Center, we have our beautiful support people. They are very able to help you, even manually. They can do stuff with their hands to, apply the promo code, refund you, a lot of that stuff. So just click this and, have a chat with them. So I think right now it's Vladimir who is helping you out. Anyways, that's pretty much it. If something doesn't work for you, don't worry. We refund pretty much everybody who has been charged during the hackathon who didn't want to do that. So you're in the safe hands. Just enjoy the hack, focus on winning and delivering the best product you can. And yeah, there's a ton of incredible mentors out there. Be along for the ride. ArcHack20 again. This is the promo code you want to go for. Good luck. Excited to see you guys' projects.